Hey everybody, I'm Alexis with Dawn Foods, and this is IBIE 2022. Hey everybody, we're back here at the Dawn booth, and we've caught up with Sarah Hickey with Dawn Foods. Sarah, tell us a little bit about what you do here at Dawn.
Hi, I'm Sarah Hickey. I'm the Senior Director of Insights and Market Research, and my fun job is to learn about all the fun things, fascinating things the consumer is doing in their lives to help our customers grow.
Awesome. So if you hadn't seen yet out on our social channels and the website, we have launched the new Dawn Global Trends, and that's work that Sarah and our team members from across the globe have been working together to put together. So Sarah, tell us a little bit about this trends report.
Yeah, Alexis, so the first trend that we're seeing is technology transformation. Really, how are customers embracing technology in ways to meet their consumer needs? So it's not just about online ordering, but it's also about the influence that social media has on driving traffic to your business, or word of mouth, or even ways in which social can be a point of engagement for customers in ways they've never been before. Technology is here to stay, and we're helping our customers learn how to grow with it.
And that's true whether you're looking to do online ordering for your bakery, if you're a consumer and saying, hey Sarah, meet me at Alexis's bakery, here's the address, here's what you can order ahead of time and see that menu. So it's
Exactly.
that full
experience.
Got it.
Every point of the consumer experience has been touched by technology for food.
All right, so what's trend number 2?
Trend number 2 is experience exploration, one of my favorites. So we've seen consumers really start to revert back a little bit to things that they love, that bring them that nostalgic feelings and moments from their childhood. Everyone loves those childhood favorites, but they also want exploration. They also want things that are new and different. And so what we're seeing is a combination of those two things coming together, especially when we think about global flavors. Consumers are so excited to try interesting versions of the traditional donut. Think about a punchki or a beignet or even a mochi donut. That's all classic fried dough, but from a different cultural perspective. And consumers are so excited to try things that remind them of their childhood, but also give them a twist on something new.
So I saw in the booth here we have a Mexican hot chocolate brownie. So it's that I'm familiar with brownie, but yet I'm going to add a little bit of spice in there as well.
100%. A classic traditional brownie in a new and unique way. A little bit of heat, a little bit of orange, a little bit of cinnamon. Puts that twist on it that makes it feel special and makes it feel interesting.
Makes it feel like a elevated experience.
An elevated experience.
Great. All right, so we're halfway there. Trend number 3.
Trend number 3 is daily delights. We have seen the rise in consumers choosing happiness, basically. So they've said, I'm going to bring joy back into my life, and in small individual desserts and treats is one of the ways they're bringing joy back into their life. They're high quality, they're mini, they're usually bite-sized, and they're totally worth it. You don't have to feel guilty about it. It's overall part of your mental well-being and your mental health and bringing happiness to your day, and consumers are loving it.
So my head went to Marie Kondo, who said if it doesn't bring you joy, you get rid of it. But if it brings you joy, embrace
Bring it in every day.
And share with others.
Exactly.
Awesome. That one might be my favorite.
Same.
Okay. All right, trend number 4.
Mindfulness matters. So the evolution of health and wellness has really been something that we've seen over the past couple of years from consumers. Before, it used to be about very strict diets. I'm gluten-free, I'm sugar-free, I'm vegan, I only eat clean label ingredients. Right now, we're seeing more of a conscious evolution. While all of those things are still important, and Dawn offers products that meet the needs of all of those different dietary restrictions, consumer choices are really shifting to a more holistic approach. What's good for me? What's good for my body? What's good for the world and sustainability and the environment? And also what's good for me and my local community. So while it doesn't have to be the healthiest option every day, a little bit of a link to the daily delights, it's part of an overall consciousness of the food they're putting in their bodies and the brands they choose to align themselves to.
You took the words right out of my mouth, because we're seeing consumers really wanting to put their dollars into companies that hold those same values as themselves.
Completely. And they don't have to be delivering against those values all day, every day. But what they have to do is feel like the companies and brands they associate with are also on the same page, working towards a common good or a greater goal.
Mm-hmm. And then that's the 4.
Those are the 4.
So
simple, easy, 4.
Easy to remember. So, and if someone who had seen our previous trends report, in this trends report, are there similarities that we've seen carry forward in the last 3 years?
Absolutely. Trends are not meant to change overnight. They're not intended to be something that is here today, gone tomorrow. We've seen an evolution of where we were even 3 years ago. Now, COVID-19, the biggest thing that's probably happened to any of us in the last few years, changed the trajectory of how those trends came to life. So for example, people have embraced technology so much more than we ever thought they would in a short period of time. But now it's grown, people are excited about it, and they're taking in these trends in a new and different way because of COVID, but not completely over.
Sure. So for anyone that couldn't be here at IBIE that we happen to miss, how does someone find out more about these trends?
So if you visit our new landing page, dawnfoods.com/trends, we not only have great infographics and information that aligns to the trends, but we also have recipes that are associated with each trend. We have demo videos and so much more information that they can use to make these trends come to life in their bakeries.
So it's a one-stop shop for a baker looking
trends.
to bring this into their bakery to drive sales. Is the Mexican hot chocolate brownie on there?
The Mexican hot chocolate brownie is on the website.
All right. Well, thank you, Sarah, for
Of
spending
course.
time with us. And again, if you didn't get that website, it's dawnfoods.com/trends to find out more. Hey, everybody. We're here at the Dawn booth at IBIE, and I am here right now with Lacey Berlin from our team. Lacey, before we jump right in, can you let everyone know what you do here at Dawn?
Sure. So I'm the manager of digital transformation. I'm helping our customers and I'm helping our sales team transition the way we do business with our customers. We have an e-commerce system that's helping our customers grow their business and helping our MSRs grow their business with our customers.
All right, so if I'm one of our great customers out there watching and I see the ads and the information online about online ordering with Dawn, can you break that down and tell us what exactly Dawn is providing our customers?
Yeah, it's a really great question. So, when we say online ordering, the platform is actually so much more than just online ordering. Our customers can now access all of their past invoices. They can access every single item that's sitting on the shelf in their distribution center. They can access every single item that they've purchased from Dawn over the past 13 months. We can create quick shopping lists so the customer can sign in, access all the products that they purchased from us before, and quickly add them to the cart and submit their order in just a few minutes.
So it really is a seamless experience to get what you need to see and then also to discover other things that Dawn has.
That's right.
So if we're talking about who this system is available to right now, which Dawn customers can jump on shop.dawnfoods.com and put an order in?
Right, so it's our market account, so all of our market bakeries can access the platform. We are working on an integration right now, so we have our Dawn Foods website. We also have shop.dawnfoods.com. The two will be integrated by mid-2023 along with our payment portal. It's literally a one-stop shop for our customers.
And what are we hearing from customers? What's the feedback that our team's getting on this tool for them?
Being at the show, we have, met so many customers from across the globe. And the one thing we keep hearing is, wow, this is amazing. Why isn't everybody doing this? Our customers have never had access to every single product that's been available to them now. So this is a game changer in the industry.
Awesome. And here at Dawn, it's all about that partnership and helping our bakeries succeed and get what they need. So thank you, Lacey, for chatting with us today.
My pleasure.
Great.
My pleasure.
We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Hey, we're here at the donut section of the Dawn booth here at IBIE, and we've caught up with Dana Sosnowski on our team. Dana, tell us a little bit about what you do here at Dawn.
Sure, I am the Senior Marketing Manager for all things donut. So I'm core portfolio innovation focusing on our donut mixes. I focus on our icings, our glazes, and our frozen donuts. So I'm here to talk about all things donut at IBIE.
And if you know Dawn, we love donuts. So here, if you didn't see, we launched a couple days ago, actually, our new Dawn Exceptional Pack Perfect Non-Sticky Donut Glaze. So Dana, tell us about this product. What do bakers need to know about this?
This is patent pending technology coming from Dawn. This is in partnership with our Dawn European team. And what Pack Perfect does is it is specific to yeast-raised donuts that are packaged in either a clamshell or an airtight packaging. But the benefits are that you'll see here what we have on display is to show that this offers up to 5 days of shelf life, which is unheard of in the industry right now. It is also freeze-thaw stable, and it offers a non-sticky, clean eating experience. And just to give you an idea, Alexis, this donut here was manufactured a month ago. We shipped it frozen over here. This was pulled out 4 days ago. So this is a 4-day-old donut. This is also a 4-day-old donut using a traditional glaze. So you just see the difference in the advantages of Pack Perfect.
Yeah, there's no question that donut is definitely the one I'm picking off the shelves. Okay, but we've got to know, but what about taste? How does it taste? What are consumers saying about that?
Sure, we've tested this on consumers, and 66% of the consumers we tested this with preferred the taste of Pack Perfect to traditional glaze.
Awesome. So definitely, if you didn't see it or you want to learn more, dawnfoods.com/donuts, learn more about our Pack Perfect non-sticky glaze. And here I see we've got some of our icings out here. What do we've got going on here, Dana?
We have select donut flat icings that feature our easy open lids. As many of us know in the bakery industry, peeling off a lid of a wet ingredient product is very challenging. But with our easy open lids, it takes, virtually no time to go and peel this off. And it just makes your day much more efficient, and it's also easy to get right back on.
So getting the bakers the product that they need quicker, no
Correct.
barriers in place.
You got it.
All right, so one of the things we love here at Dawn are the flavors that we have in Donut Mix, where we lead the industry no matter what season it is. So here I see we've got a little bit of savory, we got a little bit of sweet going on.
Correct.
So talk about that breadth of our portfolio on donut flavors.
So when it comes to cake donut mixes, we offer 2 times more flavor varieties than our leading competitor. Right here, we have our birthday cake donut, we have a lemon old fashioned, we have our strawberries and cream, our cherry, our blueberry, and our pumpkin donut. Those are 6 varieties I mentioned. From a cake donut perspective, we have at least 10 more. So this is just a snapshot of what we offer, and we develop various recipes with the help of our chef to display how you can make a strawberry and cream donut and glaze it and make it simple and beautiful. You can up it a notch too, like what you see here. And all of these recipes are on dawnfoods.com. And as you mentioned, Alexis, we also have our savory options. We have yeast-raised donuts. We have those standards line, but we also have a sourdough yeast-raised donut. We have a brioche yeast-raised donut. You can make it savory, you can make it sweet, you can make it a breakfast option, you can make it a lunch or expand your day part. So anything donut, we have to fulfill that customer and their consumer need.
And right now it's September, so pumpkin, apple, those are the popular flavors that we're seeing out in the bakery. So I think there's no question that Dawn has a mix that can work for your bakery. So to find out more, visit dawnfoods.com/donuts. And now we've made our way over to our total cake section of the IBIE booth, and I'm here with JJ with Dawn. Jay, tell us a little bit about what you do with Dawn.
Sure, thank you. I'm JJ. I'm the marketing manager in our marketing team overlooking the cake portfolio. And today we are here for creating inspiration to create these sweet moments using our portfolio of cake products, which are some of the cake mixes that you see out here. Those cakes are really wonderful. You can see the nice tight crumb on them. And then our cakes also bake level, which is brought to you because of our high quality ingredients that we use in our cake mixes. We also have a good assortment of buttercreams, fillings, and all the toppings that you might need to bring these cakes and cupcakes to life.
So Jay, you said something that caught my attention. You talked about the importance of our cakes baking consistently level. Why is that important in the bakery?
Yeah, so if you're in the bakery and you're making cake layers, if those cakes have a dome, you have to cut the dome off. That means more waste. If they're baking level, you don't have to cut the top off, less waste, and that's the key benefit of those.
So that consistency. So you're saving time, right?
Yes.
You're not having to take
saving
that time.
Saving labor,
Got it.
wasting less product, all those benefits.
And then tight crumbs. So we talked about a tight crumb. Can you explain that a little bit for us?
Sometimes you go out and eat a cake, the crumbs just fall apart. It's not a good mouthfeel. So these cakes, we have a real nice crumb, which is really good mouthfeel that the consumer is looking for. That's what we are striving to provide.
So we're meeting the needs of what consumers are asking those bakers for.
Exactly.
So everything you need to have a total cake program at your bakery, visit dawnfoods.com/cake. We're here back at the IBIE booth here with Dawn Foods, and we are in the area what we're calling our donut theater, which is really, we've got a hot bakery running all day long for the show. We caught up here with Tim Busta with Dawn Foods. Tim, tell us a little bit about what you do here at Dawn.
So yeah, we come in at 6 o'clock each morning, and we're making donuts fresh for the show. All of our cake donuts are being made from our mixes, and we're on the used to raise donuts. We're using our ready to finish donuts, so we just warm those up. We can fill them and ice them, and basically we just want to talk to our customers. And everybody gets free donuts.
The best donut's a free donut, right? And so for those of you that weren't able to make it at IBIE, don't worry. We've got all the information on the products that you need for your bakery, dawnfoods.com/donuts. But Tim, we talk about partnership a lot with Dawn. How does our technical team partner with our customers to help them out in their bakery?
Yeah, as I said, we sell ingredients, so they have to know how to put those ingredients together and make this, the good donuts like we're making here. So actually during the show, a lot of people come to us and ask, how are you making that? How did you do that? We have a video screen so that they can see a zoomed in picture of the donut fryer and see how the donuts are being formed. But we have lots of conversations with, the customers saying, well, my donut's not doing this. How do I change that? And so, yeah, we're here to do that. And we, of course, when we're not at the show, we go out to their bakeries and we will help them do that out there as well.
Yep, you do the same thing. So store openings, getting new talent in, new bakers, making sure they're comfortable with product and how to get the most out of those mixes. And for us, it's what we say beyond the bag. It's beyond that bag of mix and that pail of icing. But before we go with one of our donut experts, Tim, I've got to ask you, what's your favorite donut?
Oh, that's easy. That's maple iced Pershing with pecans on top.
Awesome. I'm sure we've got that recipe online. So for all your donut needs to help your bakery be successful, visit us at dawnfoods.com. So we're having a lot of fun here at IBIE. We've gone to our total donut part of the booth. We've talked about total cake. But for Dawn here, it's all about total solutions. And we've caught up now with Ben Chilson here at Dawn. Ben, tell us a little bit about what you do with Dawn.
Sure. I'm Ben Chilson. I work in marketing. And me and my team are responsible for our products that help Dawn be a total solution provider.
So we've seen everything about cake, everything about donut. We've talked about online ordering, but Dawn doesn't stop there. We are also a distribution partner for our bakers. So tell us, how do we round that out as a total solutions for our customers?
Yeah, one awesome thing about Dawn for donut customers, for cake customers who want a total solution, Dawn is a fantastic partner for a couple reasons. One, we offer flour, sugar, shortening, and we offer differentiated products. If customers want a shortening that pairs best with an extended shelf life donut, we have that. We also have custom packaging. We have You Deserve a Donut packaging. If our customers want a custom look without a custom order quantity, we have fantastic You Deserve a Donut packaging. A third thing that's awesome is Dawn's a full solution vegan provider. We make vegan wet products. We make vegan dry products. And what else is awesome is we sell vegan chocolate chips, sprinkles, shortening, so our customers have a complete solution. And the thing that I'll finish up with, we're sampling the chocolate chunk cookie. And one thing that's awesome about this, we sell the cream cake, we sell the chocolate chips, we sell the packaging to put in, and there's a link to get the recipe on the website. Everything that our customers need for a total solution, you can find right here.
So that's bakery tissue, packaging, the ingredients, the solutions, anything you need. Dawn is your partner for bakery success. So visit us at dawnfoods.com.